You will be processing approximately 60 business forms, which includes journalizing and posting, the transactions that they create. You will also create trial balances, end-of-period adjustments, financial statements, etc. to complete the accounting cycle. In the first half of the quarter, you will use Excel for this process. In the second half of the quarter, you will take the same 60-plus business forms and process them using QuickBooks instead of Excel. For this project, we will be doing the accounting for a simulated business called Fitness City. Let's see where these forms can be found on Canvas. The company's business forms, such as invoices, checks, etc., are the source documents for their transactions. They can be found in the modules for weeks 2, 3, 4, and 5. You can see which steps have the forms by looking for the word forms in these parentheses. Now notice that before you can move on to the different modules, you must complete the previous module. For example, before you can complete the third module, you must complete the second module, which mostly consists of watching videos and reading some steps. Now back to the business forms. Now back to the business forms that you get to process by journalizing and posting. There are a little more than 60 of these forms. Let's take a look at forms 1 and 2. Now here's Form 1, as you can tell by... Now here's Form 1. Each form has the number of the form in the upper right-hand corner. Let's see if we can figure out what's going on in Form 1. Remember, you are doing the accounting for the company called Fitness City Merchandise, a wholesale seller of fitness equipment. In other words, you sell fitness equipment to other stores who then resell the fitness equipment to the general public. Pause the video for a while and see if you can figure out what's going on in this transaction. So what is going on in Form 1? What is Fitness City doing? Well, here's Fitness City. It looks like they were sold to. So it looks like Fitness City is buying these items at the bottom of the form. And since they are wholesale sellers of fitness equipment, this will be their inventory that they hope to resell later. Now let's go take a look at Form 2 and see what's going on. Remember, you are the accountant for Fitness City. It looks like Fitness City sold merchandise to Fitness Connection. And it looks like we sold them some of our inventory. Notice that when we sell inventory, the cost of merchandise sold is already calculated for us. So you won't have to use FIFO or LIFO to calculate cost of merchandise sold. And of course, cost of merchandise sold is the same thing as cost of goods sold. And as always, check up here for extra instructions.